Hello and welcome to another DJI Neo drone video. I do hope you're all well and enjoying this beautiful weather. Now today's video, I just wanted to show you some footage from Barnard Castle again. This one was a bit more anxiety ridden. As a beginner, this particular environment does sort of worry me, so I don't know why it does. I should just enjoy the drone flight. It might be the same for other people. Let us know in the comments if flying over water kind of makes you a bit tense, stressy. But yeah, when it comes to the drone, I don't want to lose it. I don't want to sort of damage it in any way. I want to look after it the best I can. So when I'm near trees or near water, it kind of like stresses me. I'm kind of tense until I've done the footage. I think I just need to chill out more and just accept if it goes, it goes. But I like to look after my stuff. Anyway, today's video, as you probably saw at the start of this, is going over the River Tees in Barnard Castle in County Durham. Now, it's a beautiful place. If you haven't been there before, get out. There's butterflies flying all over. But yeah, I decided to go there for a day, and I did a load of filming, which you can see on my channel now. And this particular one, all I wanted to do was trying to get a couple of shots of the river itself. Now, I did a couple of test shots. So as you can see now, I'm going away from the castle. So this is just showing you down the river. And I had to wait a little while because there was like a family down near the stones at the bottom right there. And so I had to sort of wait. I was on a bridge at the time. I think it's called the Silver Bridge, not far from the castle itself. And yeah, I just had to wait for the family to go. There was still a couple of people there, I think with a dog. But I just flew over. Obviously my focus was on the environment and not the people. So I thought I'll take it down there so you can just see the river. You can see obviously the greenery. On the left hand side of that footage, you can see now is where the nature reserve is. I've done a video on that as well. It's a beautiful place, definitely worth going around there. It's a very long walk, but it's very tranquil and peaceful. Anyway, so I did that of a test shot. Then I turned the drone around, hit record, and I started going along the River Tees again, and then flowing along over the bridge itself and towards the castle. You can see the castle in the distance there on the left, and then on the right hand side you might not be able to see, but there is a bridge that I did in a previous video, but you can just see the river, and it's just a nice beautiful slow bit of footage there. But as I was doing that, there was a couple of large seagulls, and I think there were seagulls or pigeons, big birds anyway, not small things. They were flying around the drone itself. Now, I don't know about you, when it comes to like flying your drone, obviously the birds are kind of trying to protect their territory, I'm guessing. They don't know what it is. It's a whiny noise of the drone. It's a small thing. It's flying around in their space. They want to know what it is, and it's maybe making them panic a little bit, like it's a predator or something. So they circle around it. Now, for me, it might not be the same for you, but for me, it does make me a bit nervous when I'm flying my drone at a certain height, maybe sort of, was it something like 25 meters up in the air? So I'm flying the drone at that sort of height, flying it along, and I'm trying to get a nice fluid shot going along that river, as you can see, towards the castle, just for the video that I've already done. And I saw the birds going around it. Now with the Neo, if you turn the Neo upside down, it cuts the propellers, and obviously with no propellers, yep, it falls. So for me, mentally, that's what I'm thinking. Are the birds going to end up whacking into it, and it's going to hit it? It's maybe not being able to stabilize itself. It's going to go over so far. Propellers are going to cut out. It's going to go into the River Tees. So that's the entire time. That's what I'm thinking. Obviously, the good thing about it is I've got it on cruise control. So the speed is static. It's the same speed going throughout. I'm keeping an eye on it. Every now and then, I'm sort of slowly bringing it over so it's not going over the trees. And I'm trying to just keep it going towards the castle itself, just so you can see the beauty of the castle. You can see the flow of the little fish path and waterfall that's there, but also just seeing the beauty of that particular area. But yeah, so I tried doing that shot a few times, going both directions, trying to get it right. There was a bit of a breeze. There's a dog. I was trying to do it, but there was a bit of a breeze, so it sort of starts to take the drone over a little bit, and it drifts. So I'm trying to bring it back, but I'm trying to do it slow so it doesn't go, it's not flying like that and then me go like that and ruin the shot. I'm trying to sort of do it so when it goes, I'm bringing it back gradually so it continues on its path, which I think I've done. You can see that it changes course, but it's not a sort of a jagged sort of turn. But yeah, that was just sort of the video I wanted to show you, the fact that with the Neo you can get some beautiful aerial shots over water. You can see the history in the distance. You can see obviously the trees and the nature, obviously the birds flying around and flies everywhere for some weird reason. But you can just see that beautiful shot, and it's just every now and then the Neo does pull off some lovely shots. But you just need to be in the right light. Obviously the sun at the moment is just above me there. But if you're flying your drone, you need to be flying it away from the sun, so you've got the light sort of behind you. You don't have any glare. Obviously, if you use ND filters, you sort of need to make sure you've got the right one. You need to make sure your settings are correct, so it's not sort of messing up with that. You're getting a clear shot. Sometimes I don't use a filter. If the sun's over there, I take the filter off. I make sure that the ISO's at 100. I make sure the shutter speed's half of the frame rate, so 1/60 or whatever. And when I'm flying it, you capture the blue sky. Obviously stuff like this you'd capture. And it seems to catch it a lot better. Sometimes with the filter you have imperfections. If there's a bit of a wind and it sort of moves the drone, you can see imperfections, which I will talk about in another video at another time. But with this, I just wanted to show you the beauty that can be created with the DJI Neo drone video, going over such things. But for me, every time, such as if you've seen the Richmond drone video, going over water, yeah, the anxiety is there. And obviously for beginners, I'm guessing it's the same for you. If you're someone that's a professional pilot, your chances are you'll probably bring it like right down to the water and flying it back off, doing loads of stuff around trees. Watching your videos, professional videos, flying it around trees and just missing trees by that much, it's impressive, but not something for me. I can't do it because I've just got this feeling I'm going to smash into a tree like I've done before. Anyway, I'll just keep this short. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, hit that like button. Let us know in the comments how you're getting on with your drone. Let us know if you've been to Richmond, been to Barnard Castle for like the previous videos, if you've filmed over water. When you're doing your drone flying, what is the thing that makes you more anxious? Is it flying near people? Is it flying near trees, water? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Helps me out massively, pushes my videos out there, and gets more cool people like you watching them. So thank you for watching. Take care of yourself, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.